POS systems be like, touch me, I dare you. The angel monitor that slaps back. Feeling stuck with your glitchy monitor setup? We've all been there, smacking an old screen that freezes mid-swipe, battling pop-ups about drivers, or watching customers glare while the checkout lags like it's stuck in 2003. Whether you're in a buzzing restaurant, a retail rush hour, or grinding through gym check-ins, a slow, unreliable display kills your momentum. You're juggling tasks like a caffeinated octopus while your screen acts like it needs therapy. Enough already. If your current setup is wasting your time, killing your flow, and draining your sanity, keep reading, 'cause this one's for you. Deadlines crashing, staff freaking, and screens flaking? Welcome to tech hell. Imagine your mid-shift and, bam, the screen doesn't register touch. Drinks spill. Orders back up. Customers fume. Sound familiar? That's not just annoying, it's business suicide. Poor responsiveness isn't just meh, it's money bleeding out every second. Missed orders, confused employees, data entry errors. Cue stress, panic, and the creeping dread of burnout. And let's not forget the weekly "did you update the driver" drama. You deserve better. Like actually functional, plug and play, industrial grade better. Enter stage right, Angel POS. Meet Angel POS, the monitor that says, "I got you, boss." Say goodbye to flimsy consumer-grade toys and hello to the 17-inch Angel POS True Flat Touchscreen. This beast was built to grind through chaos. Splash-proof. Dust-resistant. Driver-free. Responsive AF. With 10-point capacitive multi-touch, it registers every gesture like a pro. It's a productivity powerhouse packed into a rugged, stylish frame, plus it plays nice with Windows XP to 11. Whether you're ringing up lattes, checking inventory, or running a warehouse, Angel POS turns touch into magic. One tap, done. That easy. Why you'll low-key fall in love with this screen? It's got the glow-up, glossy LED, wide-angle 170 degrees views, buttery smooth 5.4 milliseconds touch response, and a true flat surface that wipes clean faster than you can say spilled espresso. Brightness? Pop-in. Stability? Solid metal stand says no wobble zone. Use it for POS, restaurant kiosks, or as your office's multitasking sidekick. It's reliable, gorgeous, and just works, no drivers, no drama. Want performance without the panic? Click play, and let's geek out on the good stuff together. Don't let your screen be the weakest link, upgrade before it breaks you. Thousands of businesses have already leveled up with Angel POS. Don't get left behind with the dusty, janky junk drawer of tech. This monitor is in high demand, and for good reason. Clean look, tough build, and seamless performance that doesn't flinch under pressure. So what are you waiting for? Smash that link. Snag yours while it's hot. No drivers. No regrets. Just buttery smooth touch, right out the box. Let's get your workflow unstuck, forever.